Far from grace, put down the weapons you fight with and kill them with kindness.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been forever since I recorded. Today's video, I'm going to show you the BoxyCharms for this month of November. I just subscribed to their box, so this is my first time receiving their box, so I'm really excited. I already seen what I have because I couldn't wait to see, but it's pretty cool stuff. So yeah, if you want to see what I received for this month's box, then just keep on watching. So here's the box, as you can see, and the stuff that are inside. Oh, I just dropped something, but yeah, some. So usually it comes with the information on what you have like in your box and the price that it is for each item, and usually it's over like $50 or so, and I've seen a lot of people that have received like more than $100 worth of makeup. So this is pretty exciting to see how much it is worth, all of this, and you know, if it's actually worth subscribing to the BoxyCharm monthly box. So first item that I received in my BoxyCharm is these brushes. They look so gorgeous. These are the Luxie Luminous Eye Set, and these are retail for $21. They're really soft. I really like this. So yeah, these are the brushes, and they're super soft. The next item that I received is this Cover FX glitter drops, and these glitter drops retail for $44, and this is in the shade Nova. So they're these. They look so pretty. This looks cool. Oh my gosh. So I'll swatch it for you guys. I really never used this for my face. Liquid highlight, I guess, glitter, because it's I had one from Becca, and it was really sticky on my face, so I really didn't like it. Wow, do you guys see this? Oh my gosh, that's so glittery, and it's not even sticky at all either. Then what I also received is this Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. They look so beautiful, and they're so fluffy, and these retail for $14.99. Next is this palette, the Ace Beauty, I think that's how you say it, palette. And this palette is the Grandiose palette. I think I'm saying it right. And this palette retails for $24.99. I think I just put my finger in there. Oh, I put my finger in there already. Oh my goodness. This is so beautiful. I really love the packaging. It's so cute. It's gold, really cute. I didn't even say the name of the box, but it's the Gold Digger box. So explains all the gold. Duh. Anyways, the last product that's in the box is the Jonte Blue Glittering Star Eyeliner, and this is a black eyeliner, of course. There we go, finally. Oh, it's nice. It's a very glittery black eyeliner, if you guys could tell. Let's see. I'm gonna try it on this hand. It's not soft. Like, oh, it's clumpy. Just like this. It's not really it doesn't glide really softly, but we can still try it out. It's fine. So I'm gonna be using this eyeshadow and this one. Okay, so we're all done here with this look. I used the palette and everything else. For this look, I did finish using for my lips the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, and this is in the color Berlin, so this little small bottle. And I did end up liking the palette. It's super blendable, and it has really nice colors, as you can see. And brushes were really pretty as well, and they're super soft, so it helps with blending. The lashes don't feel heavy. They feel normal like any other lashes. They're really nice. The only thing I did not like it was workable, but I didn't like as much, is the eyeliner. It has glitter on it and it's really rough on the skin. It made my eye really watery, so it's really sensitive. Yeah, it's really sensitive to like rough wooden pencils. But everything else was really great, as well as the drops. These are my favorite. A little goes a long way, so that's always good. That's all for this November box, and I'm going to be doing more in the future. So I hope you guys like it, and don't forget to like this video if you enjoy watching, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.